Hi, John here from MarineMax Maryland. Today I want to take you through a 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. Gorgeous boat. She's Sea Ray blue hull, white bottom, twin black 250 horsepower Verados on the back here. So plenty of power. She's gorgeous. She also, because she's got the 250, she has the joystick for piloting for outboards or JPO, which is an excellent option to have on board. In addition, we also have the ski tow pylon here. So for all your water sports, this boat is ready to go, especially with your 500 horses back here. Sea deck across the platform here. You've got lots of storage here. You'll see in some of the photos storage options throughout here. Importantly, she has a built-in battery charger, so you just plug in a regular extension cord right in there and keep your batteries topped up when you're not using the boat. Real easy to do. And an aft handheld wand shower back here on the transom as well. You'll notice throughout the boat in the SLX series, all of this really nice fit and finish and extra features that Sea Ray puts in their SLX line. Leather wrapped handholds and those types of things. Really gorgeous. So let's go ahead and take a look in the cockpit. So here in the cockpit, first of all, if you're a sun lover, good, you got lots of lounge space. We'll see up forward and back aft. If you're not a sun lover, you got lots of shade. So we have this huge power articulated hardtop with aluminum tubing and canvas covering on here. There's an extension that goes out an additional 2.5 feet, and I have it extended right now. It goes out about halfway across the lounger back aft, but it's a canvas extender that runs out. But nice big cover from the sun. You'll also notice in here we have the upgraded stereo system with the tower speakers in there. So the Fusion, if you're a music aficionado, you're good to go on this boat. And as I mentioned, this is a power articulated hardtop. So just little buttons right here brings the tower down. So if you're putting the boat in a dry stack and there is a height limitation, boom, hit those buttons, drop the top and slide that baby right in your dry stack, no problem at all. So we continue the sea deck from the swim platform through the cockpit. Great seating area here. You've got a gorgeous teak table that sets up right here in the cockpit. Seating are all around. Over here, cup holders, inductive cell phone charging, little secret kabuki storage cabin over here. Again, just these little things. And watch when I drop this down, just like this really nice leather wrapped topping on there. It's just indicative of the SLX line. Again, more cup holders. You've got a cockpit refrigerator, great for keeping all your drinks nice and chilly in the isotherm. Moving on forward, you've got your captain's and command center here. It's a partner chair, so you got 2 seats, and of course the bolster drops down if you want to sit low or you sit high. But it is a nice partner chair, well, so you can sit with your partner while you're maneuvering the boat. Twin Simrad displays on here, and notice on the right display you've got all the C-zone controls to handle turn on pumps, maneuver the tower up and down, alternate your light colors throughout the boat, and do complete boat control. There's your joystick. You've got, of course, your binnacle here with your twin outboards. We've got dynamic running surface, so your auto trim tabs, and then your standard button controls across. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. It's also Sirius XM ready. So with the adapter, you can pull in the Sirius XM radio as well. But with Bluetooth, you can stream right off your phone. Off to port, we have the single co-pilot chair here. Again, it has the bolster. What's nice with this chair, it does rotate around, and so this chair will also rotate as well as the captain's chair. So all of these chairs rotate facing inward, so you can have circular seating here if you are entertaining and you're tied up at the dock or you're on the hook or you're drifting out in the bay. You can just turn the seats around and be with all of your guests. You'll see in the photos there are some USB chargers throughout the boat. They have the new USB-C as well as USB-A throughout, so Sea Ray is also staying up with the technology because all the new phones now have USB-C connections on them. A little glove box here, which is really nice, but with the big pièce de résistance behind the door here, we got a gorgeous head in here. So she is vacuum flush. She has a sink down there as well. So a great, comfortable, roomy location for those situations where you need to use a head while you're underway. And with the vacuum flush, it really makes it nice for your guests. I want to point out the curved windshield. gorgeous with the stainless steel trim around the top of it. It really adds a nice little panache to the boat here, and a really kind of a modern sort of fancy look to it. Coming through here, we do have a windbreak door, so that's great. That will work in conjunction with your windshield if you want to bring the windshield across. So you can seal off the cockpit pretty much. So when you're driving, if you're sitting low, you can be going wide open throttle and keep your hat on, because the wind's going to sweep over and over the top of your head. So it provides a lot of protection. If you're taking a little spray and you're looking through the windshield, we do have the windshield wiper option on this boat as well. All the way forward, really nice lounging area. You do have some armrests here. Gorgeous seating all the way around. Notice again, I talked about the fit and finish. Here's a leather wrapped hand grip up here. It feels just really nice. It's got this great looking feel to it. Underneath here, a huge storage area that goes underneath your main console. Your teak tables are in there, which includes a teak bow table. I mentioned the teak cockpit table and a teak bow table. All stored in there, lots of room. You got a shower up here on the bow to complement the shower on the stern. And of course, you've got your, gotta have your electric anchor windlass with your manual control and remote control up here. And then you have your primary control from your helm. These little holes right here are you got poles that go in, and there is a manually installed sunshade that goes up here on the bow to cover your guests, again, if they want to stay out of the sun. Great features throughout this boat. So this is a 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard here at MarineMax Maryland. We'd love for you all to come down, take a look, and we'd love to show you this boat. Thanks a lot.